Morning, everybody. Oh, Bella and I went on a road trip last night. Went clear down to Morenci, Michigan. And got us a new customer here. Really good young man. He's a firefighter for down there. Met his wife and his children and stuff. Really good young man. He bought this truck here a while back, and when he bought it with a aftermarket warranty. People buy the aftermarket warranty to have just a little feel of security. You know, that things happen, that things are going to be taken care of. Well, not with this one. His transmission went out on this, and the aftermarket warranty will not cover it. I went over all the paperwork, the bank went over the paperwork, and they're not going to cover it. They wanted him to have this towed down to one of their preferred stations, which was over 300 miles away, to have them diagnose it. So he'd have a wrecker bill into it, probably $3-4 a mile to get it down there, and then they're going to charge him $200 to have him diagnose it. So by the time he gets into this, he might have the wrecker bill and have the diagnosis, and they still won't pay for it. When you go and buy a vehicle, make sure you do a little bit of homework on the warranty, especially if they're aftermarket warranties. You can take and check their ratings. Check them out before you sign that dotted line. Don't be like this. You can take and save the money back and keep it in your own pocket. Take care of your kids, your family. Sometimes I just wonder how many of these aftermarket warranty companies actually buy and pay for their own warranties, or if they even run their own warranties on their own vehicles. Kind of weird. Don't know. I can't show you who it was from or anything like that because of legalities, but everything I read on there, things should be covered. I know what this is good for. Pretty much everybody uses it. I get the pretty decent stuff. That's Charmin. But I know what that's not good for. So the bank stepped up and helping this young man out. He got a hold of me, and we're taking and helping him out. Yeah, somebody's got to pay for it, but we're sure helping him out. This young man's a firefighter. He puts his life on the line every day, every call he goes on to. And you know something? He don't care who you are. If you was the one that sold him the warranty, he's going to come in and save you. Maybe you ought to keep that in thought. Y'all have a great day out there. Make sure you check out the background of an aftermarket warranty before you sign the dotted line. If not, get you a roll of Charmin toilet paper, because you know what that's good for. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. We'll see you around. Bye.